Sponsored by
PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में, डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में. Admissions open.
The first session of the 18th Lok Sabha began on Monday following the formation of the PM Narendra Modi-led NDA government for the third time with the newly elected members of the lower house, including PM Narendra Modi taking oath. Prior to the oath-taking ceremony, President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath to BJP lawmaker Bharat Rohari Mehtab as the pro-term Speaker of the Lok Sabha until the permanent Lok Sabha Speaker is elected on June 26.
साथियों, देश की जनता ने हमें तीसरी बार मौका दिया है. ये बहुत ही महान विजय है, बहुत ही भव्य विजय है और तब हमारा दायित्व भी 3 गुना बढ़ जाता है. और इसलिए मैं आज देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि आपने हमें जो तीसरी बार मौका दिया है, 2 बार सरकार चलाने का अनुभव हमारे साथ जुड़ा है. मैं देशवासियों को आज विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि हमारे तीसरे कार्यकाल में हम पहले से 3 गुना ज्यादा मेहनत करेंगे.
The 18th session of the Lok Sabha is set to be dominated by a range of issues, including the election of the Speaker of the House and the NEET UG 2024 paper leak matter. The first session will also witness observance of silence, marking the solemn occasion of the first sitting of the 18th Lok Sabha. Notably, President Murmu would address the joint sitting of both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha on June 27, while the session will conclude on July 3. After the President's address, the debate on the motion of thanks to the President's address will begin on June 28. PM Modi is expected to respond to the debate either on the 2nd or 3rd of July. This session marks the first after the general elections took place from April to June, giving PM Narendra Modi a rare third term and saw the formation of the coalition government of the BJP-led NDA. Notably, NDA holds a majority in the 18th Lok Sabha of 293 seats, of which 240 seats have been contributed by BJP. Meanwhile, the India Alliance has 234 seats, with Congress contributing 99 seats. The session is expected to witness the opposition alliance targeting the NDA government on several issues, including rising prices, food inflation, debts due to an unprecedented heat wave, and recent irregularities in exam administration, including NEET UG, NEET PG, UGC NET, and others. The session will conclude on July 3, with both houses taking a brief recess before convening on July 22, when the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget for the year 2024 to 25.